Hey guys, so it's first time on a ferry, last minute trip for us. We decided to go check out the Outer Banks, something I've always wanted to do. We found a slot on this ferry, a lot smaller than we were expecting, but it totally worked out. Kind of pricey, it was like $150 to go over and back, but the kids had a blast. This beach here is actually pretty much ground zero for Hurricane Florence. We were able to hit it up just about a week or two before it actually made landfall. It probably looks a little different than what you see now. But we found this awesome spot to camp at. We were super excited to be here. It's our first time camping right on the beach. We found this good little spot between some of these dunes. We figured it would work out great for us. Perfect weather out here. It was in the 90s. The water temp was in the 80s. As you can see, it's pretty secluded. It's occasional Jeep or truck cruising by. Finally got everything set up. The kids are having a great time swimming in the ocean. Beautiful night, beautiful sunset. Like I said, the weather was amazing. Highly recommend this. This was Cape Lookout on the Outer Banks. The park rangers were super helpful and very welcoming. Just down the way here, there's also some cabins that you can rent. I don't believe they're air conditioned or anything, but they do have some restrooms and whatnot. So we decided to stay kind of close to that for the kids, but as you can see, I mean, it's miles and miles of nobody. So if this is your thing, this is a great place to check out. We had a great time.
Okay, you guys want to check out the lighthouse here at Cape Lookout Island on the Outer Banks. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
You are my pill, I swallow it.
What's that?
Take me away,
Here's a
never
banana.
end. What colors
What movie
fade
you got
off?
made?
Disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford. Put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken lip off. Wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up. Don't care about the place.
They got a bunch of closures, they say, on the beach. So you gotta come on right on these roads, kind of in the middle of the island here. Like turtle nesting habitat or something.
A protected shipwreck.
I have no idea how they got this thing out here.
Or how it's gonna stay.
So it's a long drive down to the lighthouse, but it was beautiful, a lot of fun. We had the tires aired down to about 15 psi. Jeep had no issues with the sand at all. A lot of fun. I think it was like 5 or 6 miles. We burned way more fuel than we were expecting. I think we averaged about 4 miles to a gallon cruising down here, but totally worth it. Another thing to remember is just make sure you've got plenty of gas when you come out here. We burned through an entire tank of gas. Like I said, we're getting about 4 miles to the gallon.
All right, here we are. Dude just got stuck. Let's see if we can help him out.
So these guys show me the traction control system on these new Toyotas. It's pretty amazing. It's basically a computer modulated system that will send power to the wheel that needs it most, and it kind of adjusts constantly and moves the tires, and it just will work itself right out of the sand. So we unhooked the trailer and let this Toyota do its thing. It popped right out of the sand. We hooked the trailer back up, and they were on their way. It was really cool. technology is amazing on these Toyotas. I love them.
Okay.
So we finally made it down here to the lighthouse. It was really cool to see, but it was really hot outside and we wanted to get back in the water. So we spent about a half hour here, hung out for a while, and then cruised back.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this something you like. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.